All right, number 8, again, we want to find the real solutions. So we have 3x minus 4 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Multiply by the denominator. So multiplying times 0, we'll just cancel it out. That gives us 3x minus 4 equals 0. We add 4. 3x equals 4, and then we divide by 3. That's x equals 4 divided by 3. If we were to factor this, 9 times 1 gives me 9. I'm going to check just to make sure if we plug that into the bottom, we're going to get 0. Factors of 9 are 1 and 9, 3 and 3. Going to add to get 6, so x, and then add the 3's, and then we'll both get positive signs. So this is a double root. So -3 will cause the bottom to be 0, so that will be a problem. Our answer does not contain -3, so 4 divided by 3 should work. All right, number 9 wants us to determine real values of x for which f of x is undefined. And if there's more than one, use the OR button. Okay, so we're going to just focus on the denominator, find out what makes the bottom 0, and that's what's going to give us undefined when you divide by 0. So 9 is f of x equals 6x squared minus 7x plus 3. Now, although they have something in the numerator, it's not important yet because we're not looking for holes or any other thing in the graph. So you really only have to focus on the denominator in this problem and setting this not equal to 0 to figure that out. So both of these terms can be, we can factor out a 5 and an x. So we'll factor out a 5x, and that will leave me with x squared minus 2. Don't want that to be equal to 0. And so once we have it in this form, we can say 5x equal to 0, divide by 5. And we'll have x cannot be equal to 0. So that's one problem if we plug a 0 in. The other one, x squared minus 2. Cannot be 0, add 2. X squared cannot be equal to 2, and then we take the square root of both sides, and this will give me x cannot be equal to a positive or negative square root of 2. So we get 3 answers that will give us a 0 in the denominator. So we're going to do 0 or, and will it let me do the positive or negative here? Positive and negative square root of 2. So there's 3 answers altogether.